In this video we will see how to insert an empty cell after every nth row. So for me, in this case, in this example, I'm going to insert after every 10th row. Let us see how to do that. To do that, we need to have numbers written. So since it is a 10th row, I'm going to insert 10 numbers here, 10 up from 1 to 10, and then have this copy pasted. In case you want to do after say 5th row or 6th row, then you need to input 6 or 5 here. Once this is done, go to the find or hit Ctrl F, type number 1 and make sure you have sheet selected by rows and then look in values. I will also select this box to match entire cell contents, or else the finding option will choose 1 and 10 because 1 is present in 10 as well, and click on find all. In case you don't find any of these options, then you need to just expand the options to find it. And so let's click on find all and click inside this box here and then choose them all by hitting Ctrl A. So that selects all the ones. If you see here, we need to close it now. And then now coming back to this column B, or whichever column we have the numbers entered, right click on the selected cell, not anywhere else. See, for example, if I do this, then the selections will go away. To do that, I need to select them again. So right click on this any of this selected cell and click on insert. You'll get this option dialog box and choose entire row. Click OK. And that's it. You can see that there is an empty row inserted after every 10th row for this example, and you can do that for any of your nth row. It could be 5, 6, 7th row or any number that you want to do. So that's how we insert an empty row after every nth row in Excel. I hope you liked this video and answered your question. If so, please hit the like button, and I'll see you again in another Excel video. Until then, you please take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.